should it go? It's made of plastic, now I know. I have a bottle, where should it be? Let's keep our world clean happily. Plastic items go in the plastic bin. Yes, plastic bin, they go right in. I found a box, where does it belong? It's cardboard strong, not used for long. I found a box, what should I do? Sorting trash is fun for you. Cardboard goes in its own bin. Drop it there and give a grin. Here's a can, shiny and bright. It's made of metal, light but tight. Here's a can, let's place it right. Sorting helps the earth day and night. Metal items go in metal bin. Sorting trash is a helpful win. I see a jar, smooth and clear. It's made of glass, handle with care. I see a jar, where does it go? Let's learn recycling as we grow. Glass things go in the glass bin too. Careful sorting, good job you. Here's apple scraps from my snack. Leftover food I won't put back. Here's apple scraps, not for the floor. Let's help nature